In this video you will see how to add border in photo. You can also control the border thickness, color and style. We will make use of Microsoft Word to add border in photo. First, you need to go to the Insert tab, then click on Picture and select the picture from your computer. So I am selecting here one picture, and after inserting, now as you can see this picture doesn't have a border, and to add a border we need to click on the picture, and under the picture format you will see some borders here. However, these are very thick borders. So for example, if you click on this, you will get a thick border around the picture, and similarly you can try other borders as well. Or you can click on the picture, go to format picture, and here you need to click on this fill and line color option. Under the line, select solid line and then select the color of the border. So let's say for example I am selecting red color, and then as you can see here a thin red border has been applied to the photo. If you want to change the border thickness, you can do that using this width option. For example, I will enter here 4 points and then press enter. As you can see, the border thickness has increased. And if you want to change the border type to maybe double or any other style, you can select that as well from here. And if you want the border to be a dotted border or a dash border, you can do that as well from here. In this way you can add border in photo in Microsoft Word. And if you want to save this picture, you can click on the picture, right click and then use the save as picture option to save this picture from Word to your computer. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to subscribe and press that bell notification icon if you want to learn more about Microsoft Word quickly. See you again in the next one.